Hi guys, welcome back. How are you all doing? Today's video is going to be a skincare video. It's going to be in-depth. I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on with my skin. What I start off with, first of all, is cleansing my face. I don't have anything on my face, but there may be some residue of makeup. So first I'm going to start off with a headband, just to be sure that there are no pieces of hair sticking out or that no product will get in my hair. Say hello to my 5 head. I'm going to cleanse my face. The cleanser that I use is a toner. It's great for like stripping your skin of any type of product, any dirt, any grime, any grease, anything at all that you don't want on your face. A toner will get it nice and clean. This one here is from Beauty 360. And it is good for sensitive skin. I have really dry skin, dry combinations. If you have very dry skin like me or dry combination, these products and this video might help you overall. So I hope it does. If it does, please let me know. Let me know what you've done to change up your skincare routine. Skincare is number one. I am going back into school whenever this quarantine is over so that I can become an esthetician, because I have been falling in love with skincare and it is absolutely something that is essential. It is so essential so that you can have a nice, flawless looking skin without product, and you'll love the way that your face looks without product, without makeup or anything like that. But if you want 100% flawless skin for makeup, you need to have a good skincare routine. 2 years ago is when I started to really take care of my skin compared to how I was treating it before. I take this. You're going to also want to get some cotton pads, these little flat circular pads from any local drugstore that you have. And basically I just go around in circular motions. I start with the forehead first most of the time. You're trying to combat gravity. So you're trying to just bring everything upward to slow wrinkles. I will cleanse my whole neck, my ears, my neck, my décolletage. Everything is going to be treated. I haven't done a facial, I'm going to say, in February. 3 months. I know it's overdue, but I wanted to share this with you all. So there is some dirt on the cotton pad. There's a lot of dirt on this cotton pad. This is one cotton round done. It's disgusting. Disgusting. And my face was cleaned. I had nothing else on my face, just chapstick. I'm going to take another cotton round and cleanse again. I exfoliated yesterday with this exfoliator. This is one that I use. And I absolutely love it so far. It smells really good and it has really tiny micro beads inside, so it actually really does exfoliate each part of your face. This is the second cotton pad and it is actually not as dirty. If you're interested in an extra at-home dermaplaning sesh, I would recommend using these little blades here. These are great for safely removing hair, unwanted hair from your face. Some hair right here. And I also have like little fine hairs here, so we're going to take that off. I'm going to go in slow strokes. Following the direction of the hair that's on your face. You don't want to clean off the blades. You also want to have like a little towel or something that you can use to clean off your blades with. You can actually just kind of hear the hairs coming off. You'll know when it's time to move on to the next spot on your face because you'll hear it. Gross. Use a spoolie to brush out your eyebrow hairs so that you make sure that everything is nice and clean. I had a pimple here that I extracted, and the extractor that I love to use is this one here. I think it's also by Beauty 360. Clean off any other unwanted hair with your blade and shape up your brows. Whatever it is you want to do at this moment, you can go ahead and do. This is the time where I just clean up around the top part of my brows, and also like this middle area. I probably do this part once a week or once every 2 weeks. Do the stash. Now I'm going to apply a face mask. Now you can use any face mask that you like. What helps for under eye circles, using it once every day would, for about 2 weeks, keep on doing it as you see fit. But I've tried using actual coffee grounds. When you finish using the coffee, I will actually save it and pat it underneath my under eye and right directly onto my dark circle right here, not close to my eye because I don't want any of the product to go into my eye. But I will gently dab it there and leave it on for 15 minutes and then remove it by rinsing it off and then washing my face like normal. That does help with the under eye circles because it has caffeine, and caffeine is known to tighten and bring back elasticity into the skin and get rid of the darkness of the under eye. My favorite masks are actually peel off masks. It's by K Aesthetics, and this I bought from Kohl's, and it came in a pack of 6, I believe, for about $12. It does have hydration benefits, so let me just read you what it says on the packaging. It is anti-aging, revitalizing, and nourishing. Gold helps to stimulate cell renewal, revitalizing and rejuvenating the skin, diminishes signs of aging, leaving skin looking smoother and more youthful, which is something that I really want to incorporate back into my skin. Youth to the people. It's a Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. You're basically supposed to leave it on overnight, and in the morning, I'm assuming you're supposed to peel it off. But the benefits of this mask is that it has vitamin C, squalene, and hyaluronic acid, which is very good for bringing elasticity back into your skin. Vitamin C will add brightness to your skin and diminish the dark circles and any like blemishes and stuff like that, and it will add hydration back into the skin, which is also very good for preventing wrinkles. This is something I'm going to start using and incorporating into my nighttime routine. I don't know how long I'm going to use this, if I'm going to use this every night or if I'm going to use this every other night, but we'll see how it works one of these days. It is a liquid, so you want to be careful when opening the packaging. I'm going to use a small brush. This is not a mask brush or anything like that, but this is just a brush I have on hand for spreading the product out. I like to just fold it, squeeze, fold it, squeeze. There it is right there. I'm basically going to take little by little and add it onto the skin. It smells really good. It's like pineapples and just like fresh fruit. I would recommend using a bigger brush because you get more product onto your face faster. You don't want this to dry too fast. You don't want it to be too thin to where it's just not even going to cover your face enough. So a bigger brush would definitely help, but I don't have one right now. I think this is a great time to dedicate to yourself. I think everybody should dedicate some me time to themselves. It is so beneficial. You get to do something for yourself and you feel good about it. And it makes you feel like amazing inside. I don't know how to explain it, but that's how I like to have my me time. This is my spa time. Nobody bother me. Grab whatever drink, whatever snack, read a book. I have a book ready for me on the sofa and just relax. I'm going to leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes until this is completely dry. So if you want to speed the process, you can go ahead and use one of those handheld fans. You can fan it yourself. You can just relax and watch TV, do whatever you want, take a bubble bath, whatever it is, and we'll be back to take this off. Look, it's so stiff. I can't even. It's been about 30 minutes. I wanted to make sure that it dried. That way I don't have any problems. So it's completely dry and I can't move my face because my nails don't let me, and just like scrape it forward and it'll lift. What I like to do also is just to hold the skin down so it doesn't pull so much. Oh yes, I could feel my dead skin coming off. Hey baby. Hey boo boo. This is so satisfying. ASMR. This is so fun. Oh, it feels so freaking good. This is the first time I've ever taken off my own mask and gotten my full face out of it. This is satisfying. This is so cool. Cleansing our face once again with our cleanser. Wow, this feels so good. It's so refreshing, you guys. I hope you guys do this routine and treat yourself, because this is an actual treat. This is my cotton pad now, adding more hydration back to the skin. I like to use this under eye hydrating cream by Derma E. I just recently got it and I love the way that it works on my under eye circles. It hydrates. I've been getting really dry under my eyes lately, so this is really good if you have super dry under eyes and need to add back some hydration. So I just take a little bit on my ring finger and swipe it back and forth, and also like tap it in place. I like to take it from the inner corner and all the way around to the top outer corner. I take a very small amount. This is the amount that I usually use, and it works really good for hydrating underneath the eyes. Like I said, that's been my as I'm getting older, everything's starting to hit all the fine lines, all the wrinkles. So I really want to teach you guys how to take care of it now before you guys actually get to my age, or if you are my age or older, you can actually incorporate this into your skincare routine. I do this part of my skincare routine every night and every morning. It's going to help prevent wrinkles, and it's going to help prevent the wrinkles that you already have from becoming too deep. I like to put the serum on first before I put my moisturizer on. That way the serum gets soaked up into the skin and my moisturizer will just stay over top and soak in at the same time. It's Shea Moisture, and this is good for everyday use, and it's also very good for overnight. But if you have really dry skin like me, you can use it for overnight and also in the morning, which is what I do. And basically I just take it over my face, my chin, and my neck. So I start with my neck and I just take it upwards. So we do get fine lines and wrinkles down here, so you don't want to forget about your neck. So I like to do a little circular motions and just enjoy the feeling of it. I don't touch the under eye area because I just put eye cream there, so we will not touch that. I will touch this part here, so I get it on my nose and right here, and go upward. This feels so good, you guys. Even though I know it's me doing it to myself, I still love the feeling of it. If you're feeling stressed out, especially with everything that's going on, this is going to help you relax. this helps you relax too. I don't know why I do it, I just like to feel it, because ever since I got a facial, I'm like, I have to do this all the time. Now at this point is usually where you can add your moisturizer over top. I'm not going to because I want this to dry first. I usually like to let this dry 5 to 7 minutes and then add my moisturizer. That is it for my hydrating skincare routine video, spa video. I hope you guys like this video. This is what it looks like. My skin feels hydrated. It feels so good. So this is what the skin is looking like. Let's do a quick slow-mo. I enjoyed filming this video for you all. I hope you guys love it. Thank you for joining me on this little journey on my Patreon, and I hope you guys love these exclusive videos just for you. So yeah, check me out on Instagram, follow me on there, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook, all the things, okay? I love you guys, and thank you for being a part of my familia. Mwah. Bye. Cold. Allergies. Holy crap. Was you trying to... Ugh, smells like... Oopsie.